The ASUS ROG Strix G16 packs a powerful punch into a sleek design that will take your gaming sessions from mediocre to mesmerizing. Imagine being able to unleash raw power in a laptop that's as comfortable for everyday use as it is for marathon gaming sessions. That's exactly what this beast of a machine delivers, thanks to its Windows 11 home operating system, an Intel Core i7 processor 14650HX, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and featuring DLSS4 and Max-Q technologies. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this just another laptop with a fancy graphics card? But trust me, it's so much more than that. This machine is designed to deliver lightning-fast performance that's not just for gaming, but for any task you throw at it. With 16 GB of DDR5-5600 MHz memory and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, you'll be able to multitask seamlessly without breaking a sweat. But what really sets this laptop apart is its display. The 165Hz FHD Plus screen may not seem like a huge deal at first glance, but trust me when I say it's a game changer. With a smooth 3 milliseconds response time and an advanced ACR film that enhances contrast and reduces glare, you'll be immersed in stunning visuals whether you're gaming, creating content, or just watching your favorite shows. And then there's the cooling system. Oh boy, is this thing cool, literally. The ROG Intelligent Cooling technology is a marvel of engineering that keeps your system running at peak performance while remaining whisper quiet and comfortable to use. With an end-to-end vapor chamber, tri-fan technology, and conductonaut extreme liquid metal applied to the chipset, you can push your laptop to its limits without worrying about it overheating. But wait, there's more. This laptop also comes with a 360 degrees RGB light bar that syncs with your keyboard and ROG peripherals. In professional settings, stealth mode turns off all lighting for a sleek, refined look. It's the perfect way to showcase your style while still looking professional. And let's not forget about the extras, like tool-free access to RAM and SSD, which is a total game changer for anyone who's ever had to deal with complicated laptop upgrades. Plus, you'll get 3 months of PC Game Pass, which gives you access to thousands of games at a fraction of the cost. So there you have it, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is an absolute powerhouse that will take your gaming sessions to new heights while still delivering solid performance for everyday use. Whether you're a serious gamer or just someone who loves to stay entertained, this laptop has got you covered.